Dude, I feel it over here, bro.
I don't practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball. Well, I had $1 million, but I'd spend it all if I could find that Hannah in that Sancho that she's found. Well, I'd pop a cap in Sancho and I'd slap her down. But I really wanna know.
Okay.
Baby,
You shoot for the golf ball. You're just a little high.
I can't
A little high. You're center though. There it is. 3 shots.
Daddy's gonna love one and all. I feel the break, feel the break, feel the break, and I gotta live it up. Oh yeah, well I swear that I really wanna know, baby. What I really wanna say, I can't define. That love, make it go. My soul will have to. What I really wanna say, baby. What I really wanna say is I've got mine, and I'll make it. Yes, I'm going up. Tell Sanchito that if he knows what is good for him, he best go running high. Daddy's got a new 45. And I won't think twice to stick that bell straight down Sancho's throat. Believe me when I say that I got
Alright, let's go.
for his punk ass. What I really want to know, my baby. What I really want to say is that's just one way back, and I'll make it, yeah. My soul will have to wait.
Slow it down. You're high and left now. Low and to the right. Nice try, bud. Okay, you're left. 6 inches away from the target. Way high.
Don't let them fool you.
Okay, you're getting closer. You're still a little high.
Or even try to school you. Oh no. We've got to mind our own. So go to hell if what you're thinking is not right.
You're fighting against your
Love would never leave us alone. I in the darkness, you must come out the light. Could you be loved and be loved?
Ready? Okay, which one are you gonna shoot at? Come on, you can try. I'll walk you in it. All right. So aim a little bit higher.
The road of life is rocky, and you may stumble too. So why do you point your fingers at someone else who's judging
Drop
you?
your left hand.
Don't you brother, man?
There you go. And put that thumb straight out. Straight towards the target. No, straight out. There you go.
Or even
There we go. Get your stance wider. Lift your knees. Okay. Now that's how you're supposed to shoot. Okay. Now that you got a good sight picture, go ahead and aim for that red cup on.
they say
Right. That's
only the fittest of the fittest shall survive.
Now you're just a little tiny bit like at 7 o'clock, about 6 inches away. Now, when you shoot, and when you bring it out, try and pull the trigger for 3 seconds. Okay? Breathe in. Out. There you go. Bring it just a little bit down. Shoot forward. Whoa, wait. Breathe out. Pull the trigger. You're just a little high, but you're sensitive. Whoa. Breathe out. There you go. Nice job. Dude, I feel it over here.
I don't mind letting you down easy, but just give it time. If it don't hurt now, but just wait a while. And not the big fish in the pond no more. You were what they're feeding on. So what are you gonna do when the world don't orbit around you? So what are you gonna do when the world don't orbit around you? Ain't it fun?